ilẹ̀ títà lè gbé mẹ́mà gbọ́n ọ̀bú yọgbà kí ó yà lọ́wọ́ máa.
Bàbá mi á tẹ́lẹ̀ gbé mẹ́mà.
Protest in the city of God on the level of 2017. I think out of fight to also advocate for myself. I've protected Amigo from people who have been insulting him. So I have to stand here to also protect my own self. If nobody can speak for me, I have to let your word know I'm under threat from Amigo. Amigo prepare a terrorist gang. I declare PFM today is a terrorist organization. Amigo had to go and explain to the government. He had to go and explain to it. The reason why it became so violent. He came yesterday, insulting my own dad. Amigo no what kills my father, and he want me to die the way my father died. Amigo walking out who walking out where we need Jesus. Hey, man. He matter with the go and when I tell you me yasa. There's something that is that's going to be happening by the grace of God. We're going to be seeing you things in a different dimension.
Someone lose their life.
You know, at the time some group of people choose to call you a fool. I'm never a fool. I want to be passing this warning. It was a pity man when you were when he wanted to visit you in the city of Rome. Just because the way I was born and brought up by my biological father and my biological mother were out your worry, no so then you are taking it as a justice. You insulted my late dad. I want to tell you today, I want you to come to Spain. Spain, and I'm waiting for you. You have been doing what you've been doing. I'll be trying to kind of calm down, but you bad much one. You try to bring that every video need down. Look at me. You've taken my name to everywhere, but to my thing. But what you want to do, you want to humiliate me. I see you are going to use your any evil plan. You plan against me. Why you where I'm going? I serve you. You go make way. You win a little way. You matter who me I but you come every day with Amigo, woman who feel boy. You never.
Not until someone die on it.
Right? You see, this
not
is right
until someone lose their life.
Just put this
or the way they talk on social media.
This is what
they will not learn lessons.
This is it. How are you going to know I have two weapons?
That is my advice to you people.
So you don't know
until someone die.
You don't know. So why would I want to say this for anything?
Either by one way or the other.
This for anything.
They will not mind the way they talk. They think it's funny.
You know?
They think it's a joke. I am armed to the teeth. There are knuckleheads out of a country where I don't have freedom or I can't defend myself. All what you are fighting for, you will not want to. Me, I don't care. Me, I don't care. I'm already.
All you could do is to insult my father. Amigo, I was one of your best soldiers when it comes to war. A lot of government officers I want you to come to Spain. Woman, I tell you, Spain. That you can do. You know, I'm going to say I want you to do your worst. That power that you have to raise and kill, you don't show it. You are better than what you can do. Remember, I was one of yourself, but I will tell you, you are going to go behind the bar. Woman, I go behind the bar and go Saloba. You are going to go behind the bar. Or Saloba can move behind the bar. And wherever place you are, even where Tony many, or you are going to use your own blood to pay. Why your blood the way I serve you. It was sad when I said, I respected you. You know your own way. I never know you are that wicked. A wicked man, okay? A wicked man, okay? And whosoever that going to be passing judgment on mine own, the same hole who were turning in a daily you way. Ranamigo, you are an evil man. Evil man, okay? And I'm charging you today. Evil man, okay? You are God, don't tell me to stop. Or I will let us, or I don't want anybody to put any fucking comment there. How dare and it goes throw his dirty matter to my own father. When not better me. And whoever secretary maybe say. My father was 78 years old when he died. I never knew where this was your plan. When Osaloba when I fear those who can kill the soul and kill the body. Okpenu Kenya, and I'll be looking at you. I'll be looking at Okpenu Kenya. Every day I bring it down. I have everything already. I get no women where you are be threatening here and there. How you win now? What did you get? Before my brother get to your age, they cannot do where you. They cannot do where you wear you. Every man address him. They can address everywhere you. So I never know that they do they foolish. I never know that you are this foolish. You might get you foolish. You might get to real you foolish. You might get you foolish. I regretted the very day. You were the one that called on me. I local government this in Udwata. One way you now. You are the one that bring it all. Am I owe you cover? I'm not owe you money. War me go. But we cannot go money. Me you work be me yo. Nu work be my be there. I've done the battle like Spain wood. Then I want you to come. Wemanare. If I don't know what's in me, I want you to come. I want you to come. This is president in the making. President in the making.
This social media concerning the way people are handling it. We come to a point that someone they will kill someone for it.
Every vote plan you plan against me, you got to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. You are going to use your head to pay. Look at it. This very good is a terrorist gang. A terrorist gang, you know. Where worry, mamu everywhere you tell what banner.
Do this. It's not easy. It is not easy.
There was in the book of Samuel. David was you are be bragging and say you are on top of the world. What do you know about me? More something about you now. You are a gigolo. A gigolo here now. If I can wait now. If I make away. If I make away. The fruit make away. I never knew. I thought what my father and my mother taught me at home. I never knew. Western or Bime. Western or Bime. Look at me very well. What game say Western or Bime? Western or Bime? Western or Bime? Rude na rio go no. Rude na rio go no. Igbina no ebe na gbina. I stood by you when I stand the Bama. You are ungrateful ignorant to him. You are ungrateful ignorant to him. Ungrateful ignorant to him. He might blame you. Blame me more. I never blame you for any cover. If I know we for person, I will not come near you. You have tried to kill me. Almighty, I declare today, and I want to appeal to all Igbenegun sons and daughters. Please, I'm sorry. Money is sorting out. Spend my money for you. I spend my time for you. Okay, they training, no training. What did you train me for? A commissioner of police in Miami, where was he going there? No, when I got him away by 1.5 million power, I will not give him a fake vision. Monsieur, where you are? As I have left to Gumeko, please, I beg you before, but this time around, Mama, cut my way and I've listed up the names. And everybody are going. Mama Brona is going. Anita in Germany is going. A blessing in Umuho. Ne blessing Kinodo is going. Amos Captain is going. Why hadn't you present yourself before the court? You only there. I'm telling you today. We are this Spain. I will have a law enforcement officer there now. My father, we have graduates in our family. We have graduates. I'll be looking at you. Maybe I try to give you benefit of that. Then you are coming up every day. How can you logically set up a terrorist organization where we're going to fight the corruption? Am I the corruption you are going to fight? Am I the corruption? Or you are the corrupt person here? Who does not accountable?
This social media concerning the way Edo people are handling it.
It was no longer
you come to the point that someone, they will kill someone for it.
Bragging here and there. And I'm going to implicate your own brother to it also. Rambigo, Umay no feel body. Umay no feel body. When we were maintaining Iba, I'm momenting la. We will see.
Not until someone die on it. Not until someone lose their life. Or the way they talk on social media. They will not let us.
You have dug for me. You will use your head to feel it.
That is my advice to you. Not until someone die. They kill someone. Either by one way or the other. They will not mind the way they talk. They think it's funny. They think it's a joke. There are knuckleheads out there.
Whatever you plan against
who are ready.
You are going to use your head to carry it.
All what you are fighting for, you will not even achieve it. Me, I don't care. Me, I don't care. I'm already half dead.
Aleloma hiande. Imeton what you meant. Okay, what do you have to give to me? Ukmomenu ari me abia sumenu. Moga bu wode na do the webu me de. Come and tell the world.
Already, I smell it every day. I smell death. Me, I don't care. So it is left for you. If you are ready to die.
I can fight for you and his grave. I think I can fight for my father. Even when at his grave.
Not until someone lose their life.
You know, and you are going to bring it down.
Lose their life. They will not stop. Not everything you can put your mouth. My papa say, now cover up pot talk. That's what you don't say.
Anybody to you.
When you talk of the underpot,
the people are supporting
they
you.
will use and cover it.
I'm just a man of peace. You want my man. You might swear you
know what I'm saying? Okay. So you need people need to be careful. People need to be careful.
I was one of the soldiers who will always stand. Who will always stand to fight for you. And any person of you guy, mommy, any person of you because you want to Western women with your boy. Any person of you no man no man, and no money very gawe. Brown me was
how they lie. Say the truth.
Did you ever want to pay me salary? No.
If you don't say the truth, you're going to see it behind your head.
I slickly walk away.
Plain blank. This is not a joking matter. If you take it as a joking matter, it's not a joke for me.
You sent another one day where you investigated me, so I'm going to be presenting everything out. You will go to somewhere and explain yourself. You will go and explain yourself somewhere. And you are not going alone. That was why I came today to come and destroy your car. Maybe when I'm coming to also come and touch your clothes. Yeah? This is your car. So we are going to add the coffee where you tell us, but then I will my ear, you know.
So that pain, I will inflict it on you and feel that pain in a different way.
If you are there, you are hearing me.
Or you can move from one place to another. You can go and say, tell him to come home. One day, you might not even make it down to home.
Why deleted the video back? Why are you deleting the video? Why must you go and delete the video? I deleted the video now. You leave the video there.
For anyone to step or put their mouth in what they don't know, they will use their head to cover it. They will die. They will die. It will happen. It will happen. You can run, you cannot hide.
It has been higher.
I am warning you again. I am warning you. The matter have gone past social media matter.
I was one of the first people no raise alarm. I was your defender, amigo. I was your defender, Clement amigo. Even where we turning many where you would yamame. Deliver like PFM where do see where it will work. But if marry PFM, it will do the William Bonambo. You have a William Bon. I help you build up your name. Wait to Agbemo. Walk and yamo with Jesus. Walk the hour no ibiane. Walk and yamo. You will have to feed that hole we're going. Then because you have found Omega. Almighty go you become. I'm waiting for you. Who carry out what 20 terrorists, you know. Where worry. Now you boy can warwa. I'm not that type. Why go on the one? I born winning. Might have born winning. I don't try to see the little thing I can. To make sure I help you out. Oh, it may don't where. I pity for you. That was when I declared I need to help this man. You are turning everything. And the most powerful thing I mean matter. But later you will come out and say, you are a truthful man. You are a dead liar. You are a dead liar. A dead liar. When will you ever say one thing done to you? Waiting and give information well than a God's family. If I've ever wanted to give your information to God's family, amigo, a plan or something, but maybe give a plan you know upon what I am with Jesus. I can pray for you. Whatsoever you saw in my life, in I made that way when I was with you. Even if you pass away, I ever want to seek your downfall. A plan of me has something, but I never want to seek your downfall. I was telling a friend one day now where I can see use my platform to defend him. But all you could do was go dig. You want to dig. You want we not bury men again. Then you know what killed my father. Maybe when the time comes, you can explain what killed my father more better. Why explain? I know a lot of your followers who never want to listen to the other because they want to die with you. Even anybody apology. It just begins. A preamble, I came to come and give you a preamble, and I'm waiting for you in Spain.